So why and how does the human body produce a fever? Your body maintains a core temperature of around 37 Celsius degrees through thermoregulation. Controlled by the brain's hypothalamus, this set of processes detects even the slightest temperature changes and triggers mechanisms such as sweating or dilation blood vessels to cool you down. If you are too cold, your blood vessels constrict and shivering generates heat. Then immune cells fighting infection, they can cause fever by instructing your hypothalamus to raise your baseline temperature. Your body generates heat to meet this new temperature, making you feel cool until it's reached. This is why you might experience chills. Then your body experiences high internal temperatures, some cells release heat shock proteins or HSPs. Those proteins helps white blood cells called lymphocytes travel faster to infection sites by making them stickier and able to pass through blood vessel walls. In the case of viral infections, HSPs signal nearby cells to produce less protein, which limits the virus's ability to replicate and spread.